the camera. Help me! Help me. No. Dustin, please don't. You gotta go for a craft. Oh yeah, I do. Oh no. Thanks. Yeah. And then the zombie pops out. And then I pop out. No, wait, Dante. You're the zombie dude. You just have to go in there and then I go. You just go like this. Then I pop out. No, after like 3 times I do it, okay? Are you gonna shake it? No, I'm not gonna shake it. I promise. If I shake it, I'll give you $20. There you go. Ready? It's like I'm pretty angry. Come on! What are you waiting for? You better. He's funny. It looks like a toilet. Let's make a vampire movie. It looks like a toilet.